What do you want to do today? Would you like to read a book?
No.
Do a puzzle?
No.
Would you like to make a cake?
Yeah.
What sort of cake?
Chocolate.
Chocolate cake. High five. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Woo woo. What we gonna make?
Chocolate cake.
It's really easy, isn't it, Purds? Me and you can do it together. High five. Oh. No, it's your job. You've got to empty that into the bowl. That's it. Turn it upside down. Well done. Look, pour that in there. Whee! And we need to add the oil next. We've got to do 8 tablespoons. Do you think we can count those?
Yes.
Okay, you hold that then. That's it. We're done. What comes after 7?
8.
8, yes, excellent. Mommy's homeschooling has been paying off. Plop, 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 plop. Have you washed your hands? Did you wash your hands? That's it, nice and gentle. Right, well, that was enthusiastic. Okay. Whee! Ah, disaster! Oh no, don't put all that in there. Definitely a massive piece of eggshell. Woo! Okay, what do we have to do? Put that in there. How are we going to get it in there?
I am eating it.
You are eating it.
I am a monkey.
Is that your job now, just to eat all of the chocolate mixture? You will make yourself feel sick, mate. But you know what? Knock yourself out, kids. Knock yourself out. Right, you take charge of that, and I'm going to get the other tray. You can stick some in this one. Way! That's it. Lift it up.
And then a one.
Yeah, you've done a really good job there.
And do this.
Yay! How many more have we got to fill?
2.
Oh, well done! Should we put it in the oven now?
It's ready.
They look delicious. Woohoo! You made those. Which one do you reckon's got the eggshell in it? Right, little chocolate face. I'm going to put those there. Now, whatever you do, don't you eat one.
I'm gonna eat it. I want to.
Seeing as you had one, I might as well have one with you, right? Cheers! Thanks, Betty. Thank you, brother.